All right, Bradford, first of all, congratulations on the win. What do you feel about that?
I feel great to involve in the victory and also again on the score sheet.
Prolific goal scoring from continues and what's the aim for this season?
I mean, 10 or more goals for more present and 20 plus overall.
Overall? And you think you're on that mark right now?
Yeah, because I finally get to know the players well and they understand how I play now.
All right, so far, what's your thoughts coming on since you've been Mount Pleasant? What's your thoughts about the club and the teammates and so far?
I mean, they're professional, good training session, good recovery session, good camaraderie against each and every player. Yeah, so I think they are capable of winning the title this season. Yeah.
So far, you guys have been pretty much dominant throughout the season, scoring goals and also keeping the defensive structure. What do you think is the big contributing factor to the Mount Pleasant team right now and this continuous winning run?
I mean, the players, the coach is objective each and every game, and the difference between the players, I mean, they carry out the instruction very, very well. So I'm pretty pleased with that.
Yeah. And Mount Pleasant running hard for title this season. What do you think your contribution or your addition to the squad is going to do to the squad right now?
I mean, they call for me to score goals, so definitely I'm here to score.
All right, Bradford, let's up here. Big up yourself.